It was around this time 3 years ago when the total lockdown or ECQ lockdown was declared by the Duterte administration due to the threat posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. But since then, as far as the Department of Health is concerned, the country was able to weather every storm the dreaded disease threw at the country, leading to where it stands right now. Mark Fatalco has more.
The code alert system of COVID-19 public health event is hereby raised to code red sub-level 2. Community quarantine is hereby imposed in the entire of Metro Manila.
The Department of Health believes that the Philippines was able to adjust accordingly in dealing with COVID-19 3 years after then President Rodrigo Roa Duterte ordered a lockdown in Metro Manila to contain the spread of the virus. According to Health Officer in Charge Maria Rosario Vergere, the country's health system improved a lot in terms of the number of laboratories and quarantine facilities and accessibility to medicines and vaccines.
We can say that with all of this, mas napabilis natin ang pag-improve ng ating mga kinakailangan so that we are better prepared for the next pandemic to come, kung sakasakali.
The DOH also supported the statement of the World Health Organization that it is a moral imperative to determine the origin of COVID-19.
Understanding the origins of the COVID-19 pandemic remains a scientific imperative to inform measures to prevent future epidemics and pandemics, and a moral imperative for the sake of the millions of people and their families who have lost their lives to COVID-19 and those who continue to live with post-COVID-19 condition.
Nakikita natin ngayon na itong sakit na ito might have been transmitted coming from animals, and that is very important kasi sa paggawa ng mga bakuna, sa paggawa ng mga preventive measures, diyan natin tinutugon kung paano natin gagawin ang mga measures to prevent based on where the disease really came from.
The WHO said there are almost 7 million reported deaths from COVID-19 worldwide. However, the Director General said many countries are in a much better position now compared at the height of the pandemic. With this, the WHO is confident that at some point this year, they will be able to say that COVID-19 is over as a public health emergency of international concern and as a pandemic.
I cannot tell you na by May, by June tapos tayo, but what I can tell you confidently, we are being able to manage the situation. And sa tingin ko, because the cases had been manageable for a number of months already, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy. Dahil kapag nagtuloy-tuloy yan, and we are already equipped at handa tayo, malapit na talagang matapos itong ating hinaharap na COVID-19 situation.
As of March 9, almost 74 million individuals or 94.6% have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19, while over 21 million have received a first booster. Mark Fatalco for The Nation.